Good morning everyone, welcome back to my another speaking English blog video. This is Ruma Naik in front of you. Yes, I am speaking in front of camera. How are you all today? I hope you are all doing well, fit and fine. I'm also feeling better nowadays. I was under weather as you know, but I'm feeling better nowadays as you can see, and I have come here for practicing English, for making video. I am fond of making video as you know, but a cool breeze is blowing here, and have a look the weather. It has been raining since yesterday, and I think it's going to rain again. I will drain the water, I think, but it's going to rain again. So what should I do? No need to do now. I will do it in one go. And today I don't feel like to make video because, but as you can say, nothing makes sense without making video. Nothing makes sense without practicing English. I cannot but do it, as you can say. I can't stop it even though I want. And I don't feel like I don't like winter season because sun doesn't rise quickly. On top of that, it's raining. So what should I do? I wake up I wake up too long ago, but I can't I can't come outside because it's freezing outside, as you can say. That's why I can't come outside. And I was reading book in my room, and after that I thought I should come outside because I have a lot of work to do. So that's why first of all I will make video, then I will do my household chores or have a look the weather. That's why I don't like actually winter season. And how I am making a video and how I am practicing English every day. So now I will make some sentences, so please listen carefully. And how I am making sentences, please try to do it after listening me. Please repeat after me. So first of all, how I am making a video, how I am making a sentence, how I am practicing English by myself. Let's take some example. Let's take some sentences to make it clear, like simple sentences. And first of all, I wake up, then I brush my teeth, then I will do my household chores, and after doing that I will make breakfast. Then after making breakfast I will take a bath. Then every day I take hot bath. Then I will have breakfast. After having breakfast, then I will go for I will go to kitchen for making lunch. So is have you clear? Have you listened clearly? Tell me, have you listened clearly or not? It's so easy to make sentence if you practice like that. If you practice every day English like that, then you can speak English perfectly, properly. And I think don't pressure yourself to learn everything at once. You should take time to practice English. You should you should take time, minimum 30 minutes morning time and 30 minutes afternoon time. You should take one day 1 hours you should take for practicing English, for learning English, for making video, as you can say. If you are beginners like me, then you can take 30 minutes in morning while you have breakfast. That time you listen English for 30 minutes. Then after that you should try to how were they saying, how were they learning English. And you should again 30 minutes in afternoon time you have to make sentence sense. How have you what have you learned, what have you listened. After after listening them, you should take time 30 minutes, and you should make five, at least five sentence you should make. And you should always making sentences, you should try to read loudly, no need to read in your mind, you should read loudly so that you can get it properly. And you, even though, do you know that I can I am making mistake a lot still now, even though I don't know actually all grammar rule. So I, every day I try to practice, every day I try to make video, every day try to speak English. Even though I don't know, I cannot speak properly, but I can't stop it even though I want. So what should I do? We should practice every day. Even though you don't, you know that I can't say, I can't speak properly, I will make mistake. So don't afraid of making mistake. Making mistake is a parts of learning. Then you can speak properly without any making mistake. You are not able to speak English. Even though not only speaking English, but whenever you try to learn new thing, that time you should make mistake. First step is you should make mistake. Without making mistake, we are not able to speak English, we are not able to fulfill our dream. We all have dream, but we are not able to fulfill our dream. If we practice every day, practice makes man perfect, as you know. So if you practice every day, if you believe yourself, that no one can stop you to achieve your goal. And if I can make, if I can make video, if I can speak English, I am, as you know, I am housewife. So if I can speak English after manage my all work, then I can take time. I have to take time for practicing English because it's my hobby. So it's my hobby, so that's why I will fulfill my dream in anyhow, as you can say. Anyway, I have to fulfill my dream, so that's why I have to manage all work. And after do it, I will get some time for practicing English. Morning time and afternoon time, I always try to get some time after manage my work. So if you do it, then it will be very helpful for you, and sooner or later you will speak English properly. If you listen English every day, you should focus only on about your study. You should focus, listen English, reading, writing, as well as making sentence, more small paragraph and short videos, as you can say. If you do it, if you listen it, if you focus on your study, then you will get success for properly, and so on. Sooner or later you will get success, believe me. And I want to show you something to get it clearly, and so that you can do it perfectly, so that you can motivated for practicing English, as you can say. So what should I want to show you for motivated you? Let's take some example. Actually, what example I want to show you? I want to show you, yes, I can find. Wait 1 minute and have a look down. She is my daughter, and what is she doing? What is she try to doing? She try to ride cycle. Have a look. Even though she doesn't know how to ride cycle, but every day she try to ride cycle. She sometimes she gets hurt a lot while riding cycle, but she never stop riding cycle. She always try to, she always tell me that, mommy, when I will try ride cycle, when I will properly ride cycle like other. But I always tell her that if you practice every day, then you will ride cycle. One day you will be able to ride cycle. Believe yourself, and you have to practice every day. And I think it was your burning example. If you want to do something better in your life, if you want to learn new things, if you want to something learn new things, then you will try every day. Practice, you should do it, and keep practicing, keep learning, keep making video, keep going. So bye bye, see you again. I hope this video will be very helpful for you to motivated you, and this video will be very helpful for you to learn this language. So bye bye, see you again.